Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Lumintop. Now this here is their D2, comes in this box. Now this here has the OSRAM LED in it, cool white. Now I was sent this directly by Lumintop. They wanted me to test and review this light, so let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. And you get one user manual, multi-languages, front and back. Let's concentrate here on the specs. Right here, as you can see, highest output is 1000 lumens. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise we're going to move on. One metal ring, probably to put on the light for the lanyard. Here's the lanyard. Kind of changed the logo there on it. One USB Type-C charging cable. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. I'll go ahead and remove this scratch guard here. Stick into my fingers. Really compact design. And you can table stand that if you need to. Knurling here, here, and a little bit here. Now you do have some heat sinking here on the sides. Side switch, pretty flush, but does stick out a little bit. Here's the charging port. Style and design on this is nice. Feels good. Hold it for everyday carry. Comfortable. Now the machining and finish on this is nice. More of a flat black finish. Smooth. No sharp edges. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now this is running the OSRAM GW Persra 1 PM LED. Not a speck of dust. Now this is a complete kit, comes with the battery, so I'll show you that next. And there's the spring on the tail, pretty heavy duty. You do have a protection piece here you want to remove. Does come with a battery. Also, this adapter here allows you to run the 18650 without it jiggling around. Otherwise, you can run a 21700 cell in this. Let's see if I can take this off the head. Well greased threads on both ends. Spring on the head of the light. This light is definitely budget friendly. I think that's where Lumintop wanted to go with this. So it's nice. Take a look at the battery that it comes with here. It's an 18650. 2600 milliamps. Now this is a protected cell. This is a 10 amp cell, so it should provide plenty of battery power for this light, especially it's only 1000 lumens. Adds a lot of value to this, plus you don't have to go searching. Now because there's a spring on both the tail end and the head of the light, you can run a flat top cell or unprotected cells. So if you do have extra on hand and you want to continue to use your light, you can just swap out the batteries. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get this all back together. And it's nice to be able to run different types of cells and lights, because if you have somebody that has many different types of batteries. Now the 21700 cells are becoming very popular, so it's nice to see that you can run those as well. The little bunny is illuminated. Alright, so now let's go through the UI. The UI is pretty straightforward. Just going to turn that on. See, more of a dedicated thrower. Now we're going to go through those light outputs by simply clicking on the side switch. Take a look at the beam profile here. You see nice centralized hotspot, a little bit of bleeding to the spill from that hotspot. Good cutoff. It's going to be a nice wide spill. Yeah, that really might have some good range on this. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and turn the light off. Press and hold. Now if you press and hold and keep holding it down, we'll get you strobe. And that is a constant rate on the flash. Click it one time. We'll now go to SOS. Now if you click it again, it'll go back to strobe. Pressing and holding that until it shuts off. Now turn it back on. Simply click on the side switch, and you do the same for the UI, which you're back into. Press and hold. And that's all there is to this light. Now to turn off the side locator beacon, simply just turn the tail switch just a little bit. It only takes literally maybe a third of the turn, and it turns it off. That's what you call manual lockout. Definitely something I recommend. All in all, nice build quality on this. Feels rugged. Got some weight to it. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little Lumintop D2. Let's go ahead and see how this does. Water spout, 35 feet from where I'm standing. 65 feet to that tree there. There it is on the fence. Give you an idea on the beam. And it is faintly making the tree of life, 138 feet. Nice. Let's go to the next level. There's the next level. Spill is starting to come alive, making the school definitely a nice little pocket rocket. Playing around with this earlier. Never really know how well a light will do until I get it out here. 238 feet there. Impressive. "65 feet to that tree there. Tree line, fence line. Let's go to the next level. Spill is now alive, doing well. A very nice wide spill. See stuff lit out to the sides, easily illuminated. Making those trees way out there in the distance. That is impressive. Making closer palm tree, faintly making a second one. And remember, this is only 1,000 lumens, so especially for the price point. There's the highest output, 1,000 lumens. Very nice performance. Kind of leans more towards a little dedicated thrower, so all coming from this little light. Making those palm trees now with these. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive range on this light. It's got some good throwing ability. Also, huge spill area, especially for something this small. Now, this LED is impressive. I've seen it on one other light, I believe, that I did a review on. So this is relatively a new LED for me. Also, looks great, feels good, easy to carry this. So if you want to use it for everyday carry, you can. You can easily buy a holster for this, small enough. Most small holsters with this will fit right down into. Now, as far as the ease of use, very nice because it's just straightforward through the UI. No difficulty in that. Now, the light output on this is 1,000 lumens, which is quite a bit of light, especially when you're in pitch blackness. You'd be surprised how much 1,000 lumens will light up, especially for this being, to me, it's more of a little dedicated thrower. Compact enough, definitely got a good enough beam for it. Now, because this light did so well in hitting those key points in my testing area, which was impressive for this light, especially for the price point. Now, if you have any doubts on my distances, you can look at a link in my description area of all my videos. That'll show you distances, kind of give you an idea. Should you have any doubts, you can check it out. Another plus for this is that you can run the 21700 cell or a 20700 cell in this as well. So you definitely got some additional options to power this light, which is a huge plus in my opinion. Alright, well, I want to thank Lumintop for sending me this D2 flashlight kit to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description, including a special discount code there, and that will help you save some money on this D2, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Lumintop to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.